San Diego de Alcala, if I know to pronounce this. It's the first mission built by Spanish missionaries in California. In 18th century, in the first half, for 54 years, Spanish missionaries that came from Spain through Mexico, and in those days California was part of Mexico. They built 21 mission from San Diego to San Francisco. This is first one, built in July 16th, 1769, before the Declaration of Independence and the United States was formed. Before William Walker tried to create the independent state of Sonora in Southern California, and before Jedediah Smith created an incident when he came with 50 people, start messing around California, and created the incident that allowed United States to come with the army and annex California. There is a lot of history here. La Playa Trail, the oldest commercial trail in the western United States. San Diego Mission Road, and there it is. Not really significant for architecture or the look. The only importance of this one is actually that it's the first one built. Other missions along the 101 highway that are more important with their architecture and look and accomplishments. All these missions were actually working complexes, so there's always a church and then like headquarters with rooms and some fields they were working in, producing and living independently of the land. Southwest, that belonged to Mexico, is filled with those. In Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, you can find them. Like I said, with much better architecture and prettier. Well, either I came late today, it's about 3 o'clock, or it's closed because I don't know what they're doing here, but there's some action that's going to be here Friday, June 21st, 22nd, some donations and stuff. So like I said, importance of this one is that it's first one built in 1769. Junipero Serra. It's the third church on this site. So these are probably headquarters. Now it's like a museum exhibition, and there he is, the founder. So it was Sunday, July 16th, 1769. There were several of them that blessed the cross to establish Alta California's first mission. Relocated from Presidio Hill to this site. Oh, so it's not originally built, it's relocated. So the church looks like it's not active, so this is only like a museum. Casa de los Padres is actually the room I saw from outside, and that's where they lived, where Padres lived. The first church that was built here was really of the weak material, and in Indians' attack they destroyed it, killed one Padre when he was trying to calm them down. Later they baptized about 500 Indians and totally through the years converted about 1,500 of them to Christianity. These are like original dresses and furniture. So over the years, the mission grew and it was rebuilt a couple of times. They got about big size, about 55,000 acres. They had 20,000 sheep, vineyards, 10,000 cattle, 1,500 horses. So it was big place, and they used converted Indians as a workforce. That was hard life. The garden was beautiful now. After all these years, I don't think it was like this in old days. Plus, there's a noise from aeroplane, freeway. So it's not like a place for meditation as you would think. This tower with bells is 46 feet high, and the bell on the top is named Ave Maria Persima Immaculate Mary. It weighs 805 pounds and it was cast in 1802. Usually it was donated by King of Spain. Each bell has some significance. I was always impressed with the life and devotion of these people. Going to foreign country, there's a new movie showing the Jesuit priests or whatever order they are coming from Spain to Japan and being slaughtered by samurais, tortured, and they never gave up their faith in Christ. They were doing this for their faith and believed in coming and helping other people, Indians here in America or South America and everywhere. The chapel. The museum. And here is what I'm talking about. Natives. Is it in America, South America, Japan, or Philippines? They didn't like them. Usually killing them. That was hard. And here's some pictures from the old days and construction. There's the whole team. And this wall shows all 21 missions built in California. Starting with the first one, San Diego. So here are some nuns with, you can see, natives that were baptized and converted and went to school and worked on the farm here. 1847, American military action. That's when Jedediah Smith came with 50 people, creating some mess, and then military came and occupied California, annexed it to United States. So here's somebody in a golf cart working here, cleaning or whatever. That just shows you it's not active church. I saw one near the tombstone. It was amazing, full of people, big property.